Jesus Christ.
We're spinning with it.
I'm wondering, we need to get towards the shore, dude.
I got him. Head first.
No, you don't want to go head first.
No, fucking just
I don't
wing
know.
him in
We'll
here.
see how big he is. He's about 30 inches and fucking fat.
I'll wing him in here.
We ain't even gonna fuck with him until he's so tired he's not gonna be able to move. That's gonna be a while. Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Look at that.
Jesus, there's a muskie.